Hello math lovers, in this video we solve an interesting USA grade 10 math problem. How to solve this question? If you practice USA and Olympiad level math question, please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Our question is x plus 1 over x minus 2 plus x minus 2 over x plus 1 is equal to 5 divided by 2. We find out what is the value of x. Then I apply here LCM rules. So x minus 2 times x plus 1. So according to LCM rules, it will be x minus 2 times x plus 1 divided by x minus 2. It will be x plus 1 times x plus 1. It will be x plus 1 whole square. Plus, so here x minus 2 whole square is equal to 5 divided by 2. Then I apply here a minus b whole square formula. Then x square plus twice x plus 1 plus it will be x square minus 4x plus 2 square, it will be 4. Then I multiply this. X times x, it will be x square plus x minus 2x negative 2 is equal to 5 divided by 2. Then x square plus x square, it will be twice x square plus 2x minus 4, it will be negative 2x. 1 plus 4, it will be 5. Then here x square, positive x and negative x, it will be negative x negative 2. 5 divided by 2. Then I multiply this. 2 times 2 square, it will be 4x square minus 4x plus 10. Then 5 times x square, it will be 5x square minus 5x minus 10. Then if I move 5x square left side, it will be negative x square. 4x square and negative 5x square. It will be negative x square and negative 5x, and it will be positive 5x and negative 4x. It will be positive x and negative 10, it will be positive 10, it will be 10 plus 10, it will be 20 is equal to 0. Then I multiply this expression. I multiply both sides negative 1, it will be x square minus x minus 20 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We know that quadratic formula is x is equal to negative b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac over twice a. Here b is coefficient of x. So x is negative 1. Negative 1 and negative, it will be positive 1 plus minus root over of b is negative 1. Negative 1 square, it will be 1 minus 4a is coefficient of x. So a is 1. C is constant. Here negative 20. So 2 times a is 1. Then 1 plus minus 1. Here negative and negative, it will be positive. 4 times 1 times 20, it will be 80. 2 times 1, it will be 2 is equal to 1 plus minus root over of 1 plus 80, it will be 81 divided by 2. I solve this question step by step. 1 plus minus Root over of 81, it will be 9 divided by 2. Here x is equal to 1 plus 9 divided by 2. It will be 10 divided by 2, it will be 5. Then x is equal to 1 minus 8 divided by 2. It will be 1 minus 8, it will be negative 8 divided by 2. So negative 8 divided by 2, it will be negative 4. This is our final answer.